You can use the DAVERAGE function to average the values in a field of records in a list or database that match the conditions you specify. In this example, we are going to find the average salary of female employees in the finance department. Step 01, you have to select the cell and type equals DAVERAGE. Step 02, you have to select the database. Step 03, you have to select the field. In this example, the field is salary. Step 04, you have to select the criteria. Then you will get the final answer as 16,875, which is the average salary of female employees in the finance department in this company. Don't forget to subscribe our YouTube channel for more videos.